Good morning, students. Welcome to new class. Today I am going to start a new chapter, the chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. See, in this chapter we are going to learn about the fractions, types of fractions, and how the decimals is done. Okay, so let us start. First, what is fraction, students? See, फ्रैक्शन इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ होल. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल फ्रैक्शंस कैसे होते हैं, बहुत से बड़ी पार्ट होती है, उसमें से कम चीज़ें हम यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, सो इन द फ्रैक्शंस देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, दैट इज़ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay, see, in proper fraction, see, in proper fractions, if we are seeing the numerator and denominator, so numerator will be always less and the denominator will be always greater. Means numerator smaller होगा and denominator will be greater. It means that suppose we are getting the number, अगर आपको जैसे 50, ओके 50 में से आपको कितने नंबर्स मिलते हैं? 40. अभी आप ऐसा तो नहीं लिखोगे ना, यू विल नॉट राइट डाउन दैट कि 50 में से यू विल गेट 50, दिस इज 50, 50 में से आप 40, इट इज़ नॉट राइट ना. दिस वन इज राइट और दिस वन इज राइट, दिस वन इज राइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन सी that proper fraction means in proper fraction numerator is greater and numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. Okay students, have you understood about the proper fraction? Now next is improper fraction. Improper. Okay, first we had learned about the proper we know. Now next is improper fraction. We will see the numerator and denominator. In numerator is always here greater and the denominator is always less. Okay, this is called improper fraction. Okay, improper fractions के नीचे वाले numbers कम होता है and ऊपर वाला नंबर ज़्यादा होता है, that is called improper fraction. Okay, now mixed fractions. Okay, next is mixed fractions. मिक्स फ्रैक्शंस आपको पता ही है कि मिक्स फ्रैक्शंस यहाँ पे इस तरीके से किया गया है. फॉर एग्जांपल 4/2/3, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल 16 है, 16/3 है. तो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट इज 3 5 15, 1 will remain and 3 will same. So this is mixed fractions. Okay students, always remember that प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में जैसे हमको मार्क्स मिलते हैं, जो हमको मार्क्स मिलते हैं whenever we are having the exams and we are getting the marks, that is called proper fractions. It is given in a proper fractions. Improper fractions opposite and mixed fractions same. Okay, now see, in fractions we are doing two ways. Okay, simplest form of fraction and conversion of fraction. Okay, so first in simplest form of fraction, here both numerator, always remember that in simplest form होता है. Okay, simplest form what we will know, we see in simplest form, remember that the numerator and the denominator comes in one table only. It means that simplest form ये होता है कि वो दोनों एक ही टेबल में आते हैं and last में we just see that it does not come in other table. So for example जैसे 20/30, so 2 से कट करेंगे, 2 10s are, then 2 15s are, then what will remain, then 2 5s are, it will come now 5 में टेबल में आएगा, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are, so 2/3 will remain. Now after 2/3 it will not come. So this is the simplest form that comes in one table, means both numerator and denominator comes in one table, one time it will cut. Okay, so this is called simplest form. Now conversion of fraction. See students, conversion of fraction is nothing but it is a mixed fraction that we are converting into fraction. Always remember that mixed fractions can be converted into improper fractions. Always one thing remember, that from mixed fractions only improper fractions can be made. With the help of the improper, means we need improper fractions to make a mixed fractions. But इज नॉट फॉर अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन अगर हम लेते हैं तो इसमें से प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस में से हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शंस नहीं बना सकते, बट फ्रॉम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन वी मेक अ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. सो फ्रॉम mixed fractions, improper fractions, from improper fractions mixed fractions can be formed. Okay students, have you understood? Mixed यहाँ पे we can say that mixed fraction is equals to improper fraction. Okay students, have you understood now? Now let us see exercise 2.1. Now the question is given in mixed form, in proper fraction or improper fraction. Just see here, solve. Okay, see there are questions are almost remain same. Okay, see first is 2 minus 3 upon 5. What you have to do here? 2 is 2 minus 3 upon 5. Here nothing is there, that it means that we will take the LCM of 1 and 5. It will make 5 only. 1 into 5, then 2 into 5. Here 5 into 5, here 5 into 5. What is 2 5 is 10 and 3 1s are 3. So what will remain? That is 10 minus 3 upon 5. 10 minus 3 is 7 upon 5. So got the answer 7 upon 5. Have you understood? In the same way we will do the second, third also. See, you can do the same one also. Same one is also there. It is 1. So take the LCM, and after taking the LCM 4 into 8 multiply करेंगे. Okay, so we will get the answer this one, and you can see this one also we can change. Okay, 5 1s are 5, then 2 will remain and become 5 this way. Okay, you can do it. Okay, so the questions are easy, you can do it. Okay, now go to question number 2. What you have to do? You have to arrange the following numbers in a descending order. For you have to descending orders mean descending orders means what? From the biggest to smallest. So let us see how we are going to do. Just see first one, changing the fractions to like fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions means what? Numerator, that is numerator and denominator में जब numbers जो मिलते हैं that is like fractions होता है. Okay, now see 2 upon 9 को multiply by 7. only 7 कैसे करेंगे? जरूरी नहीं कि 7 निकालेंगे. Okay, but take for example 2 upon 9 into multiplied by 7. Both the numerator and denominators will be multiplied by the same numbers. Okay, so it will be multiplied by 7, so we will get the answer 14 upon 63. Now again 2 upon 3 will be multiplied by 20. It is not mentioned that we have to multiply by 21. You can do other multiplication. Here we have to multiply 3. See, all the answers are different, so we can say that 2 upon 3 is greater than 8 upon 21 is greater than 2 upon 9. Okay students, have you understood? In the same way you can do the question number 2 also. You know how to do in a descending order. Yes or no? Now question 3. Question number 3 is nothing but it is very easy students. See, if the boxes are given, you have to जैसे हम ये seeing ना वो